Finally, I have completed 1000 subscribers on my YouTube channel and it is still growing day by day. So let me show you exactly what I have done to grow my channel on these 28 days. So as you can see right now I have 1508 subscribers and the last 28 days views is 27.6k. Now let's move into our analytics section. So as you can see, I have gained 410 subscribers in 28 days only. And these are my top content last 28 days. And these are my subscriber gain in the last 28. And this is only one video which has 9.1k views. And the subscriber I get from is 201. Yeah, it might not be that much big number for big creators, but for a small creator like us, it is a very big amount of subscriber which is gained by only one video. And I will show you another video as well. So second video which has 7.6k views and the subscriber I gain from is 158 subscribers. So that was my last 28 days performance. That 28 day is the specific time when I have gained most amount of the subscribers and most amount of the views from my videos. And I have learned 3 important things in those 28 days which had helped me to grow my subscriber count rapidly and which will also help you to grow your YouTube channel from this to this. So make sure you don't skip the video, otherwise you will miss some of the important part of the idea. So that's why listen to me carefully and make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video first. Now let's move into our number one idea, which is the best and the most important idea that will obviously help you to grow your channel from 0 to 1000 is shorts video. I had also showed you some results of my shorts video. I have gained 201 subscribers from the single video and 158 subscribers from the single video. To gain this amount of subscribers is very hard in long videos, but in short videos it is easier than you think if you upload the video correctly and if you can hook the audience. Shorts are the best way to boost the subscribers of your YouTube channel. Even if you upload long videos or even if you make long videos regularly, you should also start making short videos, because short video is always presented to the larger audience and there is a very high chance that when you upload a short video, uploading shorts videos is like buying a lottery with $0. There is no risk, no loss, nothing negative. It only has positive impacts. And what is that positive impact? It is lots of subscribers. As I have already showed that how many viewers have come through my channel because of the shorts and how many subscribers I have gained from the shorts, it is obvious that shorts video will give you more subscribers than longer videos. Now the another reason that will help you to get more subscribers and complete your dream of becoming a YouTuber is great thumbnail. Creating a great thumbnail, an engaging thumbnail or attention grabbing thumbnail. When your thumbnail is presented on the browse features, people can't resist to click in it. So if you can make that kind of thumbnail which is very attractive, which is very engaging, which is very curious, and which will make people to click that video as soon as possible they see the thumbnail, that kind of thumbnail will boost your channel like you never had experience. As a small creator, we neglect about creating a great thumbnail. We don't have that much editing skills and we don't have that much idea about how to edit great thumbnails. But if you want to boost your channel and grow your channel, then you should be doing research on some editing and learn how to make great thumbnails. You can use lots of free apps which will also help you to make or create great thumbnail ideas. So if you start giving more priorities to your thumbnail, then you will be start noticing more growth and more views on YouTube channel. Now last but not the least, the most important thing that you need to grow your channel is dedication. The competition of becoming a content creator is so much. You can see a content creator in every house in a village or a city. But can everyone become a top YouTuber? Is there a place for everyone in the top 1%? No. You should try to be different. unique and insane than others, you should have more dedication, you should be more passionate about it, and you should be doing more hard work. These three things, hard work, passion, and dedication, these three things are one of the greatest components that you need to become a great YouTuber or a content creator. For example, today, right now, I am shooting this video, but the plan was I had to shoot this video before afternoon. But as you can see, I'm shooting this video at a night time. That's why the lighting is not good and the quality may not be that much good. But my plan was to shoot this video before the afternoon. But due to some technical issues on my phone, I wasn't able to shoot this video on daytime. And that time I just shut down the phone and I was taking some rest. But something inside was tingling me. And what was that thing? And that thing was I should have already completed my video. But see, I don't have done anything still. And that tingling feeling, that tingling sensation become so much large, it grow inside my whole bodies, and I can't resist that. So that's why now I am shooting the video right now at night time. This is what you should also feel as a content creator. When you say I will be recording video today, then you have to record the video today. When you don't feel like making a video, but you still have to make the video, that kind of dedication, that kind of passion, that kind of fire inside you to become a content creator will help you the most to grow your YouTube channel. This is the time. It's now or never. Recent scenarios, YouTube is giving a lots of chance for small creators and new creators as well. If you are already a creator and doing hard work to grow your channel, then make sure you subscribe this channel for more knowledge and information. So this much for today. I hope you guys like the video and hope your channel grow a lot before 2025, and in 2025 your channel will also be monetized and you will start earning from the YouTube. May God grant you also the success. Stay subscribed and stay tuned.